Oh, the sun's bright, isn't it? Anyway, blooming cyclists should have insurance. That's why I want to run them over. Well, not really. Every cyclist has insurance, probably. Insurance that they probably don't know they have. If on your home insurance, normally your bikes are covered by your home insurance. If your bikes get stolen from your house, as long as they've been locked down, you probably need a wall anchor or floor anchor to satisfy the insurance. But if they get stolen from inside your house or inside a secured garage, they're probably covered. But yeah, so that's your bicycle insurance is on your house insurance, so that covers theft and loss outside the house. If you want an extended cover, if you have a very expensive bike, or you want your say you've got an expensive cycling computer, or you've got anything else on your bike that you might lose, up to a value of £100, it's probably free, like mine was. But what a lot of cyclists don't realise is that they have liability insurance in their house insurance. Sometimes there's an option not to have it, and sometimes there's an option to add it on to your insurance. So just check your policy, make sure you have liability insurance. Also, the other insurance that I have is from the British Cycling organisation. They do insurance, liability insurance, doesn't really cost very much. And also Cycling UK .org, I think it's .org, might be .co.uk or something like that. Anyway, but if you start typing in British Cycling or Cycling UK, you'll find that they do very cheap liability insurance, which will cover you for any accidents. But your liability insurance will also cover you for losses against you. Say you've so if you have an accident and it's your fault, then the liability insurance will cover that. But the other thing as well is that if as you're not at fault and you have an accident, you can claim against the other person using that liability insurance. It's normally with the British Cycling organisation, it's free, so it won't cost you anything extra to claim against that insurance policy that you have. But yeah, check out your house policy to make sure that your bikes are covered and that you have liability insurance as an absolute minimum. When you do hear stories of people who cause accidents by running into the back of vehicles and things like this accidentally, so it'd be better to have the insurance that maybe costs you a £5 extra a year than to have to fork out hundreds of pounds to compensation. But in most cases, the reason that cyclists don't have insurance is because of the amount of damage that a cyclist can do. Okay, I know there's been a couple of deaths on the road, but if a cyclist runs into a car, how much damage can he do? The bike and the human totaling maybe 110 kilos, maybe 100 kilos, hardly any damage, considering that the meat's on the inside of a car, and a bicycle, the meat is on the outside of a bike. And so when you run into something, what gets hit against the side of a car or the front of a car is the soft meaty bits, whereas the other way around, a car hits a cyclist, the thing that gets hit and damaged the most is the soft meaty bits on the cyclist. So yeah, car drivers have insurance because they're driving a 2-ton machine at 70 miles an hour, and just think of the damage that they can do. Whereas a bicycle has very little weight involved, so the damage that a bicycle can do is very limited. And of course, having maybe dent in a wing panel on a car might only cost a few £100s to repair, but a car running into another car, the bill will be in the thousands. So that's why cars have insurance and cyclists don't. Anyway, that's taken up more of your valuable time on a Saturday afternoon. Right, what are you doing? Watch my video. Get out in that sun. Bye.